This is how you're going to create your own notebooks in Noteful and how to use all their settings that they have built in. So if you want to make your own notebook in Noteful, what you're going to do is click right down here on the plus button and then go to Notebook. Now it's going to pop up and give you all these options. So we're just going to name this one Test Notebook for this video. And then you can add your tags here if you want, and then you can choose whether you want a cover. Now, if I want to scroll through here, I can choose what cover options I want. So I'm going to go with pink, but you have all these different cover options down here that are built into Noteful. I'm going to hit done. And now down here is where I can choose my paper size. So you can do letter, A3, A4, A5, a whole bunch of different options here that you can choose from. And then if you want to change your paper, you're going to tap right here on paper. You can change the color of the paper. So I'm going to do white paper, but you can also do pink, purple, blue, so many options here. I'm going to choose white. And then you can choose blank, ruled, a margin, grid, dot, Cornell, or 2 columns. So you have a lot of different paper options. So I'm just going to choose ruled. And then that is everything that you can choose from here. You have your paper size still defaulted to letter, and then you could do portrait or landscape if you wanted to. So you can change it to landscape there, or you can have it be portrait. And then just hit create. It's going to open up. If it's opened up really far zoomed in, all you're going to do is pinch with your fingers and it's going to zoom out. And then you can swipe and you have your paper here. So that is how you create your own notebook in Noteful.